Hello everyone, welcome to my very first YouTube video. This channel is about machine learning and computer vision. Today we will talk about Snapchat lenses. You might have seen some videos like this. And Snapchat started in 2011 and they introduced lenses in September 2015. Since then, more than 180 million users use Snapchat and its lenses every day. So I wanted to learn the neural network behind those lenses, but I couldn't find much information. So I thought let's create one which is not as accurate as Snapchat, but it does work. So today we'll recreate the second lens, but with an additional mustache. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing we'll do is load our filters. I'm using two kinds of filters for today's tutorial. One is mustache and one is glasses.
I'll be using Dwayne Johnson's photo throughout the tutorial to show the results.
We will use OpenCV to load both the images. Now we will use BGRA concept, which is blue, green, red and alpha transparency. Alpha transparency will tell you which pixels are transparent and which are not. So we'll take just the alpha transparency layer, convert it into a single layer image and use that for the masking. Now take the inverse of that mask. So the initial mask will work as the area of filter and the inverse of that mask will work as the area around that filter. Then we will save the filter to 3-channel BGR image, and please remember to save the original height and width of the filter, which we will use later for resizing to keep the aspect ratio same. Once we are done with that, let's apply those filters on the face. I am using DLIP face detection ResNet model, which does really good job at detecting your face. I am also using DLIP 68-point face landmark detection model, which highlights some of your facial features like your lips, nose, eyes, etc. And we'll use those facial features to place the filters at the right coordinate. For the width of the mustache, we will consider 3 times the width of your nose. So we'll take distance between 0.35 and 31 multiplied by 3. That will be the width of your mustache. And height is going to be relative to the original width to maintain the aspect ratio of original image.
The initial y1 for mustache will be slightly below the 0.33 and x1 will be 0.51 minus width divided by 2, and place the mustache on that point.
Now once we are good with setting up the mustache, we'll place the glasses. For the width of the glasses, we'll consider 0.1 and 16. I know it's diagonal, but to give a perfect look, we should consider some extra width, and as you know, height is going to be relative.
The initial y1 for the glasses will be 0.24 and x1 will be 0.27 minus glass width divided by 2.
Here you go, your first simple and poor lens is ready. You can find the code link in the description below. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos like this.
So good luck with creating your own filter.